About this item: NB-6L/NB-6LH battery specifications: capacity 1100 mAh/voltage, 3.7 volts, CE safety certification. No memory effect, more lasting. Replacement: Canon NB-6LL/NB-6LH battery and CB2Li charger, 100% compatible with the Canon PowerShot SX510HS, SX530HS, SX520HS, SX510HS, SX500IS, SX700HS, SX280HS, SX260HS etc. Cameras. Rapid A/C charger features a fold-out US plug, charger input voltage, AC 100 240 V 50-60 Hz, output voltage, DC 4.2 V 600 mAh. With FCC, CE, and RoHS certification. With the newest generation of CPU control, automatic constant current control prevents battery from overcharging. Overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuit, high temperature. Packing include 2 NB-6L/NB-6LH batteries plus 1 battery charger and car charger and EU plug adapter in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: NB-6L/NB-6LH battery specifications: capacity 1100 mAh/voltage, 3.7 volts, CE safety certification. No memory effect, more lasting. Replacement: Canon NB-6LL/NB-6LH battery and CB2Li charger, 100% compatible with the Canon PowerShot SX510HS, SX530HS, SX520HS, SX5